Okay, so I'm here at my mom's and my stepdad's farm, and so I'm here for about 2.5 weeks, and just gonna get some stuff done, and just take so that take this time to vlog for a bit. So some of you may not notice that I'll be moving into a new home, and it'll be done very quick, but I'll still go to the football game I've been wanting to go to, and then I'm gonna see what the rules are for the house and all that kind of stuff. And so I'm kind of at a point where it doesn't matter or what just everything's always going to be one way or not at all. And it's not me that made those rules. It was not the overrun house rules, but I need to learn to stop trying to overdo it on electricity. And it's just the way life goes. Can't always get what you want, but so I'm just gonna so I'm kind of like it really just gets it's very puzzling, and just and I enjoyed going out to British Columbia, and I enjoyed those moments, but there's a time in life where I need to move on with my life, I'm just but I'm tired of all the constant battles, and just everything's at an impasse, and just now nothing happens, nothing matters anymore. Instead, I'll just this time I'm just gonna have to take it really serious. What's the point of doing all that kind of stuff when you're just trying to, I've done it all in vain, and electricity providers just keep increasing the rates, and the more you try to cut costs down, but to me it just doesn't seem to make any difference. The more you try to cut your costs down, the more they keep trying to increase the price just so that they can just. Red Deer's trying to replace their aging power infrastructure. And it makes sense to a certain degree, but but I have friends in Red Deer, and I don't just want to walk away. I just don't want to, and I just don't want to make a big mistake, and I've made a lot of strides, but almost like every step forward I'm taking 3 backwards every time. I need to learn to step back, take a step back because it's more like every step forward I take 3 backwards. But what if I were to take 1 step back from my life, and even then learn, seeing where I stand, and I need to take a step back just to gain 3 steps forward. I've lost some of much control, and it's almost like I need to have how I can't be my own guardian anymore. Because I'm my own worst enemy. All the time. You know, I betrayed myself, basically. You know, like, I just, and I keep coming up trying to find any excuse to, even if everything I say, what I, what I think is a reason is always coming out as an excuse, and I'm tired of it, and I need to move on with my life, you know. Just, you know, it never seems to matter. So, but hoping, I'm hoping that I can, I'm hoping I can just find, and just get some stuff done. But while I'm visiting Mom this weekend, I'm going to help my brother move to an apartment, and then maybe while I'm there, go take some pictures, go to the rink and stuff, and maybe go to Staples, or if they still have the source there or whatever, get like cable for my Sony laptop. So yeah, lots to think about. You know, like, I mean, yeah, I have to do a lot. I'm doing a lot of travel, and you know, like, I tried getting a Sony charger, but it was just the wrong one, and it ended up burning out, which sucked, you know. And you know, just like, and I'm like, now what? You know, like, you know, I mean, I'm kind of on the fence at some point now, but I decided I wanted to move out, but for me, I've had enough, and I want to maintain my friendship with my buddy that likes to go to hockey games, and you know, just, but hopefully I can only just I need to step back from life just to, just to be able to take the steps forward. You know, I mean, Will Dyer once said, when we change the way we look at things, the things we look at change. You know? It's like when you're going downtown, you know, in the city, every building feels the same. But taking a bird's eye view, you see the difference. You know, just, you know, like, anyways, I'm just gonna end this vlog here, because this is all I can say. So until next time, I'll give an update. Until then, bye. Okay, so I'm just gonna make I'm gonna make some grilled cheese for lunch, because I'm hungry and I've only had a banana for breakfast. So I'm just gonna put it right here. So I'll show how I do it. So here, just gonna get some a couple pieces of rye bread. Uses, because she's very Yeah, she's got a lot of she's got a problem with her digestion and all that. So now I just have to live with it. And I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna better turn the stove on and get the yeah. 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 Now just wait for it to. Grab a spatula. It's pretty windy out. It's windy out there, as you can see. As you can hear, probably. So I'm kind of. I didn't get it well done enough, so I'm gonna do some of it on this side and then flip it back over.
I've never met
that lunch was lovely. You know, like it was. It's one of the things I've learned to make is grilled cheese. And, just thought I'd do that. So, anyways, I'm probably. I made my mama and Shane some grilled cheese as well. So, just see what they're gonna that they could do and all that. So, yeah. So, anyways, I'm gonna do some some other stuff to get by. Mom and I are gonna go into a small town of Assiniboia, and so hopefully then I can pick up a package there and then go to the market and go to the co-op as well. So until then, I'm gonna end this edition to the vlog here. Okay, bye now.